Let's talk about oak slate design. Spicer Brack Point 3 tier, 39 jar modern contemporary style deep shelves for larger spice jars, boxes, Kilner jars. Solid oak and natural slate high quality materials. Other sizes available, 2 or 3 tiers tall and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13 jars wide. Handmade in UK delivered fully assembled. This spice rack is freestanding. Size, width 60 cm, height 40 cm, depth 8 cm, usable depth between the bars 6 cm. Wide shelves allow for large spice jars. Packs boxes ideal for 70 ml Kilner jars. The Spicer Brack is great. It's well built and beautifully constructed. Plenty of room and different sized items can be accommodated. Thinking of buying another one with a medium amount of storage. I purchased the largest as I can put other things than my spices etc. on them. The only drawback I found is that there are no wall mounting brackets, as I wanted the rack wall mounted. Luckily my husband is a builder and has sorted this out. Maybe the company can give instructions or sell the wall fixings for the wall mounting, but it is very stable to just place on a work surface. Overall very impressed with the product and I think it's worth the money. This is a really special Spicer Brack. I have been looking for a while and finally found what I required in this. I received it today and have cleared all my hard to find in the cupboard herbs and spices into this rack where I can now see them clearly. It looks sturdy, and very pleasing to the eye and was packaged wonderfully well, so much so that the delivery woman's heavy thumping down of the parcel made no difference to it at all. I believe this company make a number of other items, so I'm off to have a look at them for when I have some more money. This is our second of these spice racks. Yes, we do have that many spices and it is just as beautiful as the first. We've had the first one now for a couple of years and it still looks as good as new. Because it is slim, it's unobtrusive on the kitchen worktop but looks really elegant. Lovely finish to the wood and slate. Delivery was early and extremely well packaged. Would highly recommend.